Take a moment to check out the 2018 Nissan Titan. This vehicle still has fewer than 50,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. You'll love the comfort of this handsome Titan. Its serene cabin, luxurious seating, and quick acceleration elevate every excursion. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, keyless start, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, stability control, intermittent wipers. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.